friends, how are you all? Today I would like to share with you all the famous Bisi Bele Bath recipe from Karnataka. For this you require cauliflower, carrots, 5 to 6 beans, peas, few cashew nuts, 4 to 5 red chilies, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili, salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, tablespoons of peanuts, 2 capsicums, tamarind juice. This is in the size of 1 lemon which I have soaked it and removed the water, 2 cups of water, Bisi Bele Bath powder. Here I have taken ready-made packet, and ghee. These are all things you require to make a Bisi Bele Bath. Let's get started. I have taken a pressure cooker. I'm going to add 2 carrots, peas, 4 to 5 beans which I have set in long, cauliflower florets, water. Here I have taken 2 to 3 cups of water, the washed tur dal, and 1 cup of rice which I have washed, 1 cup of potatoes, salt, turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Close the lid and 2 whistles. Hi friends, take another pan. In this pan we are going to add some ghee, mustard seeds. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon, 5 red chilies, of groundnuts, cashew nuts, capsicum chopped, add few curry leaves. Now add tomatoes. Here a bit of salt. Now I am going to add the tamarind juice, ghee powder, 1 teaspoon of 3 tablespoons of Bisi Bele Bath masala powder. Give it a good mix. Here our vegetable rice is cooked. To this rice mixture, let's add the tadka. Here I've added little more water. This is done, guys. Now let's spread it out.